Hey guys, thank you for checking me out today. I'm starting a new YouTube channel. I know a lot of you know me from the other channel I was using. Talk a little bit about that channel. I've had that channel for about 12, 13 years, and we've had a lot of guys that started watching that channel when they first got into the trades. And we emailed back and forth and we talked, and a lot of them has reached out to me and said, I've got my license now and I've got my own business and I'm very successful. And I'm so proud of these guys. Plus, I've got a lot of local guys right here that I've helped. The new channel I'm starting is to help bring those guys that was on my other channel and anybody else that needs help that's starting a business. I'm reaching out to you now. I'm going to start a channel called the Automatic Blue-Collar Millionaire. What you guys don't realize is really you are automatically millionaires if you understand how to run a business. So what you're going to get out of this new channel is we're going to talk about a multitude of things. We're going to talk about choosing the right blue-collar trade. We're going to talk about choosing a trade that's recession-proof. I personally have lived through 5 recessions, and I learned a lot from each one of them that I'm going to share with you guys. You want a trade that is going to be a high earner, high potential, a trade that is unlimited growth in what you could do. You could start small and work your way up to 500 people if that's what you want to do, or own multiple companies. We're going to learn how to manage going from a top-notch employee to an entrepreneur if that's what you want to do. We're going to talk about if you want to stay at a certain level and work for someone, which there's a safety net in that, by the way. There's nothing wrong with that. You will learn how to actually excel in that particular field. Those of you that want to go on and be your self-employed, be your own company, and have ambition for that, that's what we're going to help you with too. I want to teach you folks, my brothers, that lots of the blue-collar trades are like that, about languages, the different languages that you have to learn to be a blue-collar skillsman. And we're going to talk about health, and we're going to talk about family, balancing family life and kids. We're going to talk about mortgages, and we're going to talk about car insurance, and we're going to talk about all kinds of insurance. Insurance covers, oh my gosh, that much stuff. We're going to talk about the IRS. We're going to talk about financial advisors and how to manage your finances. We're going to talk about how to put your monies in the right piles. We're going to talk about retirement. We're going to talk about investment vehicles. We're going to talk about having 3 or 4 avenues of income come in, because you never want to put all your eggs in one basket. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go into a lot of these segments, and I'm going to break this down into small groups so we can really understand what each one of these mean. This is going to be a brotherhood. We are a brotherhood of blue-collared skillsmen. What is a brotherhood? A brotherhood is a camaraderie. I want to have, in this channel here, it's not me doing the videos and you, the subscribers, listening. I want your input as you would talk to your best friend or your wife or maybe your parents about what you're having to do. I want you to email me, and I want you to comment, and I want you to ask me questions. And I really want to dig down and try to help each and every one of you guys. Because to be honest with you, you've heard this old saying, if you need help with it, somebody else really needs help with it. I might need help with it, right? So let's work together as a brotherhood. And what does a brotherhood really? Brotherhood is a camaraderie. It's a group of individuals with the same mindset, a group of individuals that has the same values and the same ambitions in life of wanting to do things. And there's a lot of brotherhoods out there. You've got the police are a brotherhood. You got the fire department are a brotherhood. You've got the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, Plumbers, Pipe Fitters. You got motorcycle gangs are brotherhoods. So a brotherhood is nothing new. It's just what's new is we're going to be the brotherhood of the blue-collared industry, and we're going to help each other. We're going to go from a journey from here, wherever you're at. You can be 30, 40, 50. I had a boy one time started with me. He was 50 years old. And I wasn't sure he was going to make it, but within about 5 years after working with me, he went and got his own business going. So it's never too late. So we're going to start you from here, and we're going to take you to here. I'm going to do my best to navigate that road for you as much as possible, whatever age you are, and we can fast track some of you guys that maybe get a little later start, and some of you guys that are a little younger, you have more time on your hand. We could talk about that. But this new channel is really designed just for you, the blue-collar tradesman that wants to get in life and get moving, and the ones that has a higher ambition that wants to move to a different plane. I am going to do my best and give you my best to make sure that you get everything you can to be successful in life. I truly want to pay it forward. I truly want to help you. And I want you to help your fellow man, your employee, your brother, your somebody in life out there needs you. Every one of us has got a certain talent. And it's really what we're supposed to do. We're supposed to share that talent with the next person to help the world to be a better place, really. And that's what I want to do for you. All I want you to do, if you think this channel will help you, you can subscribe. If you don't think this channel will help you, don't worry about it. I don't want you to feel obligated about anything. I just want you to be happy, and I want you to be successful in life. If I can help you, fine. If I can't, fine. Because the truth of it is, there's a lot of people out there doing the same thing that I'm talking about. They're talking about it. The difference between them and myself is I've actually been in the ditches. I've actually shoveled ditches of mud and buried conduit and pipe and been out there and it's freezing cold. I've been under houses putting in plumbing stuff, and I've been in attics running conduits and wires, and I've done a lot of bathroom and kitchen remodels, busting mirrors out and taking out vanities, and I've done all kinds of stuff. The difference between myself and these guys, I've actually done the work. You don't get somebody that when you send me a question and you're telling me you've been digging ditches for 3 hours, hey, I got that one. I understand it. Or I've been in an attic all day. It's 130 degrees. I understand it. I've been where you are. That's why I'm able to help you more. So anyway, if you like it, subscribe. If you don't, don't. But if you do, please share. Please subscribe. And most of all, really want you to comment, because I'm going to reach back out to you, and I'm going to do my best to help you. Thank you for watching, and please join us on our journey to blue-collar success. Thanks.